Good morning everyone. It has taken me like 30 minutes to start today's vlog because I couldn't find my camera. I couldn't end my vlog last night. I'm just really like scattered today because it's Christmas Eve and I'm trying to like get myself organized. So happy Christmas Eve everyone. I'm gonna just finish my hair, get dressed, put on some lashes and get out the door. I'm going to meet Neve for like brunch and then I'm meeting my friend Trisha, and I have a lot of stuff going on today, so I'm just super excited to meet everyone, see everyone, and D-Day is tomorrow, the big day, Christmas. I hope you're all ready and organized. I just realized this morning I forgot to get Paddy a Christmas card, so I need to get that today because he reminded me of it yesterday that he got me one. So I'm gonna get sorted, ready, out the door and meet the girl. I'm dressed and ready to go, so I'm not wearing anything like very exciting. I'm just wearing like a plain black top, some tights and a skirt. I'm having a little bit of an issue deciding what shoes to wear, but I need to like decide quickly because I need to get out this door. So this is what I'm wearing today. It's just like a black top, this little skirt and a black belt, and then I can't decide on the shoes. I can't decide on these ones with the gold heel and then my plain black ones. I think I might just wear the plain black ones because they just look better. I don't know. And one leg's longer than the other because one heel is higher than the other. So yeah, I think I'll just wear the black heels. And I need to get, what is that on my mirror? I need to get out of the house now because I will be late for Neve if I don't leave as soon as possible. So I'm on the way, thank God. I didn't actually think I was gonna make it on time, as in like I thought that I would be a bit delayed, but I'm just after making it. I have to drop my cousin into town. I have my big fluffy scarf on. Actually it's on the wrong way around, I'll have to turn that. But I am just kind of glad that I'm even dressed at this stage, and I'm going to meet Neve right now. Well, 11:30. It's now 27 minutes past 11, so I have literally 3 minutes to get to her, drop my cousin into town. It's gonna be a stretch, but we'll do it guys. Oh dear God, I'm not at all stressed, I promise. I'm like just a bit late to meet Neve and my battery's running out. Oh my God, it's a Christmas miracle. I made it here on time. I got my cousin dropped into where he was going, and now I am meeting Neve. I'm so excited, I can't wait. So I'm gonna go in and get something. I think I just want like a coffee or a hot chocolate or something, and yeah, I'm just so excited to catch up with her. There we are, happy Christmas. Oh my God, that place was mental for lunch. I'm super excited now to get home. And Trish is on her way over to me. She'll be there at 1:30. It's just gone 25 past 1, so I spent ages with Neve and I had a lovely catch up with her, and she's in great form, and I'm just like super excited now for the rest of the day and catching up with everyone. I have to go and pick up this Christmas card now. If I do not do that, we're going to be in serious trouble, and I just have a feeling that every single place I go is going to be absolutely wedged. So I'm so stupid, and why I left it this late to get a Christmas card is beyond me. I should have known better not to be like delaying and getting things on Christmas Eve. Like, it's just not good. Like, there's so many people around, and it's great because I've met loads of people this morning, and I met like people I haven't seen in ages. That's what I absolutely love about Christmas time. Everyone's like home and they're out and about, and you get to like catch up with people, see people, bump into people you haven't seen in a long time, and just everyone's in really good form. Like Neve is in top form, like she's in such good form today, and it's just great like just to see everyone really like happy and jolly and, you know, all excited for Christmas. I just realized not only do I have to get a Christmas card, I also forgot to get a voucher, so I need to go do that now. Like, why on earth do I leave everything to last minute? Like, who do I think I am? Last minute Sally. I'm gonna try and park like in a multi-story and then like walk in to where I need to go, because I think that's like my best bet really at this stage of the day, honestly. Oh my God, why is everywhere packed? You would serve, it's Christmas Eve. Okay, I'm back in the car and I'm finally finished every single thing.
Oh well.
How are you?
What's the card?
Happy Christmas!
Happy Christmas!
I have gotten everything. I got the most pathetic card ever for Paddy. It was the worst card ever, but it was the only card I could actually find that didn't say like something on it. That's it there, so it's really crap. Sorry, I'm like dreading, should not be doing that. I got my dad a voucher in pennies. I can say all these things now because like this vlog will be going up after Christmas. I got my dad a voucher in pennies because my sister and I got my parents a trip to Prague for Christmas. So that is obviously their Christmas gift, but my dad's birthday is Christmas Day, so I wanted to get him like something for himself. So he just wanted a voucher from Penny's, and that is all I got him. And we'll probably like get him something like small if there's a token thing that he wants, but right at this moment like he doesn't want anything. Last year we got him, or the year before we got him, Leinster jersey, and yeah, he doesn't, look at the knots in my hair. This is great. Like my hair was literally blowing down the street. So he doesn't actually want anything, but I'm really glad I got him the voucher just for something for his birthday. And I had to get money out for Ollie because she paid for the trip, so I owed her the money back, and I'm just paying her back now because I just actually didn't have a chance to get to an ATM, so I'm delighted now. I was talking to Paddy on the phone, and whilst I was talking to him I was sending him a voice note. The guy came over to me, I was in a coffee shop, and a guy came over to me to give me my coffee, and I got like a fright and I startled him and spilled the coffee all over the place. That was quite entertaining. Now I'm going home. Trisha just texted me, she's got to my house now, so I'm going home to see her. It's 2:15. I was supposed to see her at 1:30, but she got delayed, I got delayed, so it's grand. We're seeing each other now, and yeah, I am boiling as well in this bloody scarf. I don't know why I chose to wear this today because it's like 8 degrees out. I just thought maybe it might be just something Christmassy, but it's super warm out, like, and when you're out like hustling and bustling, walking around, then you start to like work up a sweat and you start to get quite warm, and I am feeling very warm right now. Oh, there's the new Gael school. Oh, I went to a Gael school, fun fact, which is an all Irish speaking school, which means that there are, you know, you're not allowed to speak English in the school at all for 8 years, and they just built a new Gael school just in my area, so it's really nice just to see another Gael school popping up. I think there's like 3 in my area now. They're quite popular. Very popular. All Irish speaking people. Yay. Oh, look at us. All wrapped up in the scarves that fell on the ground. The cutest boy ever. Sleepy puppy. I'm home. I just spent the last few hours there with Trisha, and she's just after heading off, and we are getting ready to go to the pub. I just need to change my outfit because my sleeve ripped. I don't know what happened. I think like a thread came loose on my top, so my sleeve ripped. I need to change. Oh god, look, I'm after getting powder all over me. I just powdered my face. So my sleeve ripped, so I'm not going to be wearing this outfit. I'm going to change, I think, into leather pants. I want to wear my big fluffy jacket that I wear every year, and then I think I'm going to put on maybe like a nice top or something. I'm not really sure, but definitely not wearing this because yeah, it's just, it's all covered in powder now, and I think it's fit for the bin after ripping it. Look at the powder everywhere. Anyway, I'm so annoyed because it ripped, and it was a cute outfit, but like we'll just try something else on instead. So I decided I'm gonna wear these pants. These are from Zara, and that's the style of them. They're like these waxy colour ones. I had to get new ones. I get them every year, but that's all the information. Hang on, you can kind of see the code there just in case you're interested in them. And then I'm going to wear this like goldy kind of top. I wear this most Christmases. I really like it. I got it on like Shein or one of them. You have to wear like a little string top underneath it because it's kind of like see-through in parts. Well, not see-through, but it's like mesh. So I just wear a little black string top underneath that, and then my Muppets jacket, which I got in Bershka. I don't know when I even got that in Bershka, maybe like 2 years ago, but I really like this. I don't even know if this is going to go with this outfit because it's like kind of like pinky and these are not. But if not, I'll try a different jacket. But I love this, and like I said, I wear it every single Christmas Eve. It's just tradition. So this is the little top that I'm wearing, this like goldy kind of crop top. And then there are my trousers from Zara, and then I'm just wearing my boots that I wore this morning from Public Desire. So I'm all set for Christmas Eve drinks. I just need to put my Yeti jacket on. No, this jacket does not go with the top underneath, but I don't care. I'm wearing it anyway because it's just very festive altogether. Yay! Okay guys, so the crew has all arrived. We're all hitting the pubs tonight for a couple of little celebratory drinks, just for Christmas, you know. So there's a whole group of people downstairs right now, so I need to go down and join everyone. I hope you guys have a fantastic Christmas. I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas 2019 and you will join me again for vlogs in 2020, because of course I will be doing more vlogs in the new year. I'm so excited to like film more videos. Sorry today's video was a little bit rushed. It's just like mayhem and me running around constantly trying to spend time with everyone, loved ones. There's been loads of family over here, loads of my friends have called over. It's just been super exciting, so I hope you have the most fantastic Christmas, you guys. They're shouting at me, Ashling, hurry up. I better go down to my loved ones. I hope you have a fantastic day, and thank you so much for watching for Vlogmas. And like I said, we will be doing all this again in 2020. It's gonna be just super fun. Love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.